Yes, you heard correctly. He is so rich that he sends money to everyone who subscribes to his account. It's whatever amount they want in the comments. He doesn't make films, he doesn't sing, he doesn't sell anything, he eats. Yes, you heard right, he eats. And yet one of the richest men in America is on his mission, traveling the world to taste the craziest, fattiest, most incredible dishes the planet has to offer. Every day he enters a new restaurant, he orders the entire menu, and he does what he does best: savor with passion. But what few people know is that Big Roof is more than just a food lover. Under each of his posts, he chooses a person at random from the comments, and he sends actually money to those who write the amount they want. Yes, you understood correctly. So if you watch this video, write the amount you want in the comments and subscribe to his account, because the next person Big Roof is going to bless, maybe it will be you. He owns luxury cars, custom private jets, and exclusive homes around the world. Jaden Smith made headlines by purchasing a luxury house for $900,000. The son of the legendary Will Smith, Jaden is renowned for his acting and musical talents, as well as his refined tastes and wealth. At 25 years old, he has already built an empire marked by extravagance. His fortune is estimated at $8 million, coming from film, music, and his clothing brand, MSF Tess Rep, which has captivated the global youth. He lives in a luxurious mansion in Malibu, purchased by his parents for $4 million, offering a breathtaking ocean view. The house reflects the Californian lifestyle, balancing comfort and nature with large glass windows that let in natural light and provide a stunning panorama. Inside, the rooms are decorated with refined taste, combining modernity and elegance. Outside, an infinity pool overlooks the sea. These havens of peace also include a lush garden, creating a true sanctuary where he can relax and enjoy the idyllic setting. Here is the youngest billionaire on the planet. He owns luxury cars, custom private jets, and exclusive homes around the world. Jaden Smith made headlines
because he says he is investing in himself. And one time, he casually walked onto a basketball court in the middle of a live game and did this. But it does not stop there, because DJ Khaled treats everyday life like a victory parade. He announces simple things like eating breakfast as if he just won a championship, and somehow turns even the smallest moment into motivation. Whether he is watering plants, working out for 5 minutes, or just walking outside, everything becomes proof that in his world, success is never quiet and winning is a full-time lifestyle. He brushes his teeth with a solid gold toothbrush because he says he is investing in himself. And one time, he casually walked onto a basketball court in the middle of a live game and did this. But it does not stop there, because DJ Khaled treats everyday life like a victory parade. He announces simple things like eating breakfast as if he just won a championship, and somehow turns even the smallest moment into motivation. Whether he is watering plants, working out for 5 minutes, or just walking outside, everything becomes proof that in his world, success is never quiet and winning is a full-time lifestyle. He brushes.
Never heard this before. He flaunts luxury cars and even gold toilets, with a fortune greater than Elon Musk and Bernard Arnault combined. His lifestyle surpasses that of Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. That man is Vin Diesel. He owns a private jet worth $50 million with 30 seats and capable of exceeding 600 miles per hour. He also purchased a mansion in Los Angeles worth $120 million, featuring a wine cellar, a dining room for 50 guests, and a gym with a spa. In addition, he owns 2 properties in Beverly Hills, each valued at over $50 million, equipped with swimming pools, private theaters, and golf courses. In his garage, he keeps a $20 million Bugatti Chiron, a $5 million Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a 1959 Ferrari 250 GTO. His super yacht, valued at $150 million, comes with a pool, a movie theater, a helipad, and even a submarine. And he still maintains a permanent suite at the Burj Al Arab in Dubai, which costs $10 million per year. Vin Diesel is considered the richest actor in history, surpassing George Clooney, Tom Cruise, and Leonardo DiCaprio combined. This is the
richest man in the United States. His name is Big Rose. Yes, you heard that right. He is so rich that he'll transfer money to anyone who follows his account and writes down a specific amount in the comments section. He doesn't make movies, sing, or sell any products. So, what does he do? Seriously, he just eats. That's all he does. Even so, he's still one of the richest men in the U.S. Big Rose travels around the world to savor the most luxurious and exquisite cuisines on Earth. He visits a new restaurant every day, orders every dish on the menu, and then wholeheartedly does what he does best: enjoy every bite of food with pure passion, excitement, and joy. But here's the surprise. Big Rose is not just a food enthusiast. Under each of his videos, he randomly selects a commenter and transfers the exact amount of money the person wrote down. No